I'm the Fusion King, and today we are teaching Chicken Strip here how to code. He does not know how to code, but, you know, we're gonna teach him how to code.
Just wanted to injure their ears for a second there.
Anyway,
what do I do?
You do stuff?
I do.
Okay, well, what have you seen me do? You seen me code.
I've seen you print.
Print? Okay, yeah, that's good. Start to start.
And then
Place
parentheses.
Parentheses? There's no space, by the way.
Oh, there's no space?
I mean, you can do space.
I'll do a space so it makes me more comfortable. Parentheses. Hello.
Okay, let's,
Wait, do I have to put quotes in the parentheses?
Do you?
I've seen you put quotes in the parentheses, so I think I'm gonna do that. Like, if I run this, yeah.
Hello is not defined. It thinks it's a variable.
Yeah, I might need to add for, like,
let's see if you can figure out how to print.
Wait, I forgot to put the quotes. One second. Does this work? Oh.
Yes. Okay, yeah.
This looks promising.
There you go.
Don't ask what I just did. I'm just so good.
We don't have a face cam.
They might hear the jacket though.
Okay. Sure.
Out of context moments be like.
Anyway, what if I want to, like, you know, like, you saw my game.
I did.
Like, what if I want to, like, you know, have them, like, okay, I need to enter that, and it does the thing.
They need to make a variable?
Yes and
no.
Figure it out. What would you think? What would you need to do? Think. Like,
can I look at through the Amazon code for reference?
No.
Oh.
You cannot.
Because I'm good at reverse engineering things.
It literally gives you the answers to the question.
That's true. You
How
can
do
replace
you...
things.
Okay.
Does it start with
well, what
if?
No. That's for if. That's for if statements. Like,
okay.
An example would be if I'm gonna try and only use stuff you know. 1 equals 1 print. Yay.
Wait, so is that how you...
1 equals 1? Yeah. Does 1 not equal 1? Does 1 equal 2? No. Actually, wait 1 sec. I think I broke it. Not what I meant to do. No. It does not print.
Okay, so that's for...
Anyway, this is not what we're trying to do right now.
Is that for, like, the more random chance things?
You can use it for that.
Okay.
Or just, like, what I'm trying to get you to figure out. So what would you need to take
let me delete
in order
this
to do
real
something?
quick.
You can't.
Oh, okay.
This is this is the shell.
Oh, so this is shell?
As in, you just execute single lines of code or something like if. Anyway,
Okay.
So, think. What would you need to take in order to get to something? I'll give you a hint. It starts with the letter I. You need to take
an input?
Yes, it's input. Now let's try it.
It'll start with input.
Yes, it is input. See how it turned purple?
Input 1.
Nope.
I'm thinking.
Well, think. It's just. What do you think it would do?
I need it to be like I press a certain thing and it does this, correct?
No.
So what if I just put print there?
Input doesn't input print?
Yeah.
Okay, you can try it.
I'll try it.
Try it. Input
this
print.
is not gonna work and I know it.
Hopefully a bunch of people who know how to code are gonna watch
yeah,
this
they're gonna be like so angry.
No, that's not how you do it.
Syntax error, that's kind of what I thought.
Try just removing the print. I'll give you a hint. Just remove the print.
Input.
Also, here's a tip. If you want to do the exact same line of code, just press enter on that code.
Oh, okay.
On different coding things, it'll, like, you know, yeah. But see, input automatically prints it. Input is print, but with
Input
an input.
is print, but with an input.
Yeah, enter. See, it doesn't let you enter. Okay, well, let's see. Let's do the same thing. Input F. F. Yay.
I should probably make it.
Okay, do you want to know why it's doing that? I'll give you a quick thing. Input needs something to give back to.
Enter.
And in the shell, if you say do a math problem, when it needs to shove it into something, then it just prints it.
Okay.
As in 1 plus. Think of this as a thing. Okay. If you put in 1 plus 1, it puts out 2.
How
Wait a minute,
complex do we make these equations?
there's no block. There's no box or something I can put the 2 in. Normally, it just doesn't do anything with it. But in the shell, it prints it.
How complex can we make these equations?
As complex as you want.
We're gonna calculate 47.
You're going down a deep rabbit hole with this.
I'm just doing a math equation.
Yeah.
We're gonna calculate 47 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius.
That's not how it works. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I
I thought you were.
if I just do it after the parentheses, we'll still know it's multiplication.
What?
If I just put it, okay.
Well, it's
3/9.
several since. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
Okay, well, here's another fun challenge. Edit your code to make it do multiplication. Think.
Nope, that doesn't work. No way. Whee!
Think.
I don't know how to think.
Well, think. What symbol do you use for multiplication?
An asterisk? When in computers?
Yep. Because x can be a variable.
And variables are important.
They're all you code with. There.
Okay, so now
I have no clue if that's correct or not.
I think so. We can look it up to fact check it. But that
Who
was
cares?
just because you.
I don't know.
Oh, I have my iPad on me.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, we're fact checking this.
Why are you checking this though?
I'm
We're
gonna.
trying to
I
get you
don't
to
know.
learn how to code, not see if the computer
I know the computer can
practically
calculate that.
anything can do simple math problems that you can do pretty easily in your head.
47. What's the Fahrenheit? In Celsius. 8.3333. I don't think I did that math equation right,
Yeah,
but that's
you
fine.
did it. But whatever, it can do math.
It can do math, we know that.
Anyway, go back and think. If
Put back my input.
okay, yeah. If when it inputs, it has nowhere to put it, so it just prints it out.
Yeah.
What do you think you need in order to store that, like a box of some sort? Is there like a box you can put it in? Something where that can hold varying data?
You kind of just gave it away there. I was gonna say variables, but then you said varying, and I'm like,
Yeah, it's varying.
yeah, it's a variable, right?
That's how it works.
Okay.
So, what do you think? How would you How would you make something equal to something else?
You just put an equal sign.
Yes. Okay, think.
Not in computer
What
programming. Like
what did we literally just learn in math like last week? How in algebraic equations, it's usually variable equals 1 times whatever
Yeah.
shenanigans.
Yeah. So it can equal to equation. So do I put an equation here?
No, that's not what that's not the part I was hoping you would think of.
These.
The format. No, think of the format. The format of an algebraic equation.
It's an equation.
Variable equals shenanigans.
Yeah. So do I? No, I don't. I know by that face that I don't.
That's it. You do x equals input. You're up there.
What I press?
I don't know. You press up. X equals.
X equals. Oh, space
That
equals.
works. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it makes me more comfortable.
Sure. And then here. F.
No, nothing.
Now, X. It's stored. Now, watch this. Print. X.
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay.
How'd you do that?
Stuff.
You're
Anyway,
typing too fast.
next. Def.
I know
X
deaths are important, that's all
equal,
I know.
Yeah, only when working in shell. Actually, they're useful like all the time
Yeah.
for different
makes
reasons.
sense.
It's a function. Basically, it lets you, whenever you type X parentheses, it'll run whatever code you have down here. Does that make sense? Anyway, tell me with everything you know over here, if you can figure out how to make a simple, like one sentence, Mad Libs.
Thing.
Think. You can look at all of this for reference.
Okay, so we did this by x equals. That's gonna be important.
You
I know
might
that.
you might need to like find variables or something.
Yeah, we could have certain variables be different things.
Okay.
So like, is this still active or is this dead?
Both. It's active, but inside of a function. It doesn't take anything from outside unless you put it inside those parentheses.
So do I put something in the parentheses?
No.
Okay.
Why would you want to do that?
I don't
You
know.
need to input. Think. Just do that again.
Okay.
You do that exact same thing.
Except-
It'll work.
X equals. Why am I doing spaces? Sorry, I don't know how to type well for everyone out there that knows how to type.
Input.
What did I literally just say as I was saying this?
Input.
Input.
Parentheses. What do you want? Let's just do like a space for now.
Yeah, let's
Who
do
cares?
space.
That's not the important part. Now think. Print. You want to print something, right?
Yeah, print.
So, what do you print?
Space.
Well, no. So think. You'd probably want to have. How does Mad Libs work?
You can choose words to go in certain
You
places.
pick a word without knowing
Yeah.
what the sentence is, and then it puts the word inside part of the sentence.
Yeah.
So write the first part of the sentence. Inside.
Oh, inside
inside
quotes. I
quotes.
forgot the quotes. Out of all the things I could forget, I forgot the quotes.
You do quotes for anything that isn't something, I don't know. Okay? Sure?
We're gonna get like the most cursed thing ever.
My mother just, and then what? I kind of just gave you like an obvious hint.
X.
Bingo.
No, we did space.
No.
Oh.
What do you, look.
Yeah, oh, X equals input space, yeah.
Yeah. Now, look. Now if you do X. Oh. See?
My mother just.
Do that function.
You know where that was going, come on.
No, I don't.
It was gonna be my mother covered my car in rose petals. Yeah,
Sure.
yeah, that works.
Anyway.
Anyways,
So, yeah. Is there anything else you want to try and learn? Like,
no.
okay, well,
Well,
I'm gonna
that's what I
proceed.
know. Okay, check.
Is there any part of my game that you were interested in?
I like the system where you could press certain things and it did certain different things.
Okay. I'm gonna give you two
That was
choices
fun.
now. Either you will watch me create a block and then you get to like decompile it and figure out how it works, or I like nudge you along like.
Yeah, nudge me along the way. That's fun.
Okay, you want me to nudge you along?
Nudge me.
So remember earlier, see that if?
We're using that now.
Yep, sure are. Remember earlier when I said you can use it with variables?
Yeah.
You said you wanted different things to happen.
Depending on what you press.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, if, like,
Input.
no. Actually, wait. I think I might actually learn something right now. I've been wondering if this works. Equals X. Oh.
No. Okay.
Oh wait, no, that's not the problem.
Oh, equal.
Oh
It
boy!
worked.
I actually just learned something. For some reason I didn't know this.
Did I accidentally discover a new
No, obviously other people
Other
know
people
this.
know
I
that,
was
but
dumb.
new to you.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. I think I did this
It's
wrong.
supposed
Oh,
to be
X. Nope. Look. This.
Oh.
See?
You
Because that
always
is
gotta
a
put the quotes
string.
in.
That's a string.
You always gotta put
It's
the quotes
thinking X is that.
in. No, you can't do that.
X. See? It works.
So what if we make it print? Aw.
Can do that.
I wanted to see if I just like kind of figured it out. Okay, press X.
Okay, so
I accidentally figured it out.
this is something I might implement. Anyway,
Yeah, that could be useful.
I'll probably put in my next update. Anyway, so think.
Okay.
If you want different things to happen, what? Like, if this isn't
If this isn't this, do this.
if this isn't true, then do this.
Okay.
But if it is true, do this. If this is true, do this. Else, do this.
Oh. So do I just kind of like... If input space equals X, else equals something.
Else, print. No.
No.
Now, if it doesn't, print. I think
Nothing.
I broke it. I think I broke it. What? What?
Wood.
What?
Wuggity.
What? Oh, what? What do you mean?
He tries to tell you what's wrong, but like sometimes like I don't.
What? I have no clue what it's trying to do.
Teekaboo.
Oh, I think I know.
No.
It didn't equal it, so it did something else.
So if I just
But, what if you want to say, have it do this if it's that, do this if it's that, or do this if it's that? But it's possible for multiple of them to be true at the same time.
Yeah,
What do you want to do?
I would say the obvious thing, multiple ifs, but I know it's probably not true.
Yes, because like, if
If.
x equals, okay, if 1 is greater than 0, print. Actually, this won't work in the shell, but like, yeah. Actually, no, it will. If 1 is smaller than 2, okay, whatever.
No,
yeah,
are you
basically-
it's a syntax error?
No, that's not. It's because it's in the shell, and it's trying to do that and that. But basically, it would perform that and then perform that, but you don't want them to both happen.
Not at the same time.
So, if you want this to happen, then if you enter this, do that. Else,
Or
if you do that, no, or would be different. Or would be if, simply, if x, is true, or
you did
y
if
is
X if true.
If x is true, or is y, or if x is true. Does that make sense? That's how or works.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it to you, because you probably wouldn't have guessed this. It's elif. Else, if.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's like ELIF.
For example, I wonder if this work. Elif. Print. No. Yes. Because the first one's true, it only prints now. But if the first one is false, it does the other one. And the first time, they were both true. But because that one's true, it didn't do the other one. And because that one wasn't true, it went to the other one, and that one was true.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. A little bit. Just a little bit.
What do you mean?
Okay.
What don't you understand?
The input's a little confusing. I feel like we grazed over that a little bit. What if
I meant like with this part.
Oh, that part? Not much of it's confusing.
Okay. You don't completely understand the input?
Not the input. The input I feel like we grazed over a little bit.
Okay.
So let me...
What part of it doesn't make any sense?
One second. Let me see if this worked how I thought it did. Like, how do I run this? Enter. Nope.
You did it wrong. It is enter. Just this is on the wrong indentation level. Everything needs to fit.
Okay, so does this work?
You do enter twice. See?
Does this work how I thought it did?
Okay.
So if I press X and then enter, will it do that?
Oh, okay, one sec. I think I messed this up. Okay, yeah. So, what do you think would happen?
X? Yeah, it works how I thought it did. Never mind.
Okay, is there anything else we've gone over that you don't understand yet?
That I can really find. Okay, so can we have multiple L-ifs?
Sure can.
Okay. Time to try it.
Can't go back
Oh
to the
yeah, you
shell.
can't go back into the shell.
Okay, so let's head over to the elif thing we did. For yes. Elif. 1 smaller than 3. Print.
It's paint.
Print. Why?
Why?
So see, it only does the first one. If we do it again,
And make the first one false.
actually no, it only did the second one because, like, you know, see.
First one
So if
already
is
false.
0. First one is false. And now, when we make it true, it does the first one. And then if we make
Okay.
the first one false,
I
then
think
it
I
does the
see how
next
this
one.
works.
And if this isn't true, then it does the next one.
Okay, so
It basically goes down the line.
let me see if this works how I thought it did.
Okay?
Don't flame me if I do something wrong.
What were you trying to spell?
In and out. Totally. How did I manage to get closer to in and out than input? Okay. How did we do that input? Okay. Trying to think of how that would work. Okay. What is the space they're used for?
What is the space?
Space?
Oh, just if it's empty, then it doesn't work.
Okay.
It needs to have something in there.
So I'll kind of just copy that.
Usually just want to put something in there so the person reading it knows what they're like putting in.
Yeah, no, just
Am I
like,
supposed to put in my birthday or?
or like
What I sometimes do is inputs can't have more than one. Actually, that can be solved with a format string, but
So
you know what? Format strings are easy.
elif input
Let's not worry about
is
Format strings are easy. So
sure. Oh, there's supposed to be space there.
we'll think. If
This doesn't work.
your answer will be a string, then
Let me test what I'm doing right now.
okay,
I'm kind of just experimenting.
sure. That's part of how I learn to code.
Trial and error is my thing.
Yeah.
And most people know that about me. Well, by that
Probably not on the channel.
I need like nobody on the channel knows. Like I've been on the channel
Maybe.
a couple times. If they do, I'd be afraid.
Well, I mean, one of them got 100 views.
That's true.
Other one also didn't get 100, but still got a good amount. And more people watched longer because I made the audio okay.
Ah.
Okay.
And I will do an input for this one too.
Sure.
Do they still need to be on the same line thing?
What? Do they still need to be on the same line?
Like these are aligned. Does this one have to be aligned? No. Okay.
Yeah, and no. What do you mean?
If I just put input here, will it still work?
No.
Okay.
Because, look, that is at the end.
Here?
Oh, that's not what I meant. The colon was.
Oh, the colon.
Colon's big at the end.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna do space because it makes me comfortable.
Not each. And it's actually necessary for ifs.
Except for input, like the parentheses after input. That's fine.
So, I'd like to test something. But I'll let you finish this first.
No. Colon? Yes. Now do I go here and press enter, or do I go here and press enter? Wait, where am I?
Yes.
Okay. Enter?
Enter.
Well,
it has those 3 dots. That's code being continued. Wait, no. That is not it. Now it's
enter.
because see the red dots.
No. Nope.
No, it's not defined. Anyway, first things first. So, this is quick test I need to perform. If 1 equals 1, that isn't indented. How will you indent that? You're in the tab game. There's a huge debate on whether you should do.
Heck no, that's a waste of time! Tab, always tab.
Yep, tab. That's exactly how I feel. Yet some people like doing spaces, including the official on the official Python website. They say you should use spaces.
It's not okay.
It's tabs. You use tabs.
Always use tabs.
They're so much more efficient.
You added this for a reason.
It's here for a reason.
You're not supposed to. That's gonna break the keyboard. Anyway, what did I do wrong here?
Anyway.
No, it's not.
Wait,
They're not defined.
It's not defined. Wait. Earlier.
We did the
like
variables.
X. A variable.
X.
X is not. There.
X was defined, wasn't it?
Yes, and what do you mean?
Because there wasn't the syntax there, so it had to be defined.
Look at that X.
Oh, it's in quotes.
It's in quotes.
Oh.
Quotes mean string.
Again.
Also, I mean, that is one of the 2 most common coding errors.
Forgetting quotes.
The 2 most common coding errors are messing up data types, coming up with names, and one-off errors.
What errors?
You didn't get the joke, did you? I said the 2 most common mistakes. Actually, the 2 hardest things are data types, coming up with names, and one-off errors.
I'm pretty confident in this.
You're not paying attention.
I'm not.
Look at me.
I'm so good.
Okay, look at me. The 2 most common, the 2 hardest things when coding are data types, coming up with names, and one-off errors.
Why is there 3?
It's a one-off error.
Oh.
You didn't get the joke. You even know why that's true? This is how you count in programming. 0, 1, 2, 3. That's 4. That equals 4.
Yeah.
That equals 4.
Yeah.
That equals 4.
Yeah.
That equals 4. Look, that equals 4.
No, really.
0, 1, 2, 3. That is 4.
That's 4.
That's 4.
Because 1
That's 4.
plus 2. No, that's not right.
Okay, you want to see something?
Right,
Next thing you need to learn is loops. For x in range, whatever, 100. This is how you loop. It does this 100 times. It's going to print x. This is just a little thing I want to show you. So, see, that's a loop. Does that 100 times. See? Count it to 100.
I counted for me.
Count it to 100.
Now do it to 1,000.
Look. Look.
Oh, because the 0
See,
counts as 1 too.
It counts up from 0, not 1.
I'll do it to 1,000.
That's why one-off errors are so common. You want to do it to 1,000?
I'll do it to 10,000. I don't care if I flame your computer.
Okay. Wait, pause. Before
Oh,
you do anything, you need to do it at the bottom. But also, if you want to make it correct to how we count, you need to do a +1.
Oh yeah, I love that. That's amazing. It's kind of satisfying.
I remember last year,
This is my most
in
system.
school, I made this exact program where you enter a number, well, a similar program, where you enter a number, and it counts it to that number at light speed. Like this.
Light speed for sure.
Whatever. You can.
I can see the
And I was like,
numbers it's counting.
I bet this computer program can count to 100 faster than you can count to 10. It did it very easily. It was done in an instant.
Well, it might take a little bit longer for it to get. How are we gonna access the rest of our code?
What do you mean, how are we gonna
We have to
access it?
scroll all the way.
This is your idea.
Oh gosh, we shouldn't.
Man, let's start speed up now.
I should have done. We should have been. We should do time lapse.
Speed up. Okay, we're doing something.
We're already
Oh,
done.
wait. Oh, we're done. Oh, I thought you did 100,000.
No, I did 10,000.
Okay, good. Anyway.
That's probably most of that's probably gonna be edited out.
Yeah. Anyway, point is, yeah, computers are big.
Yeah, very,
Strong.
very.
Anyway, that is all we have time for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.